Hi, today I'm making roasted chicken. I've done chicken before in one pot in a Dutch oven, but I wanted to show what it's like when you cook it in a roasting pan with a rack. And so we're going to begin with the whole chicken. I basically have washed it and taken out the giblets and the neck that is accompanied with the whole chicken. Next, I'm getting my ingredients of a whole onion, 2 sprigs of rosemary, and a whole lemon, 2 large cloves of garlic that I've chopped up. I have a little bit of ginger here, so I've kind of made it into very narrow sticks of ginger, and I'm going to use all of those ingredients and I'm going to stuff the cavity of the chicken. So here are all my ingredients. I have 2 tablespoons of mayo, a pepper to taste, onion and garlic powder, as well as Horton's natural seasoning. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my chicken and place it on the roasting pan, and I'm going to cover it with mayo. And so the mayonnaise actually helps the chicken to brown. It also works well when you're doing turkeys. And so next I'm adding my pepper. I'm adding my various seasonings just to salt the whole chicken, and then I'm going to cover it. And so I'm covering it and cooking it at 300 degrees for about 35 minutes. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to add my roasted vegetables. Now, these are a little bit of olive oil and rosemary. And then I'm adding those back to the roasted chicken, and I'm letting the vegetables cook in the drippings. I'm going to then leave it uncovered so that the vegetables and the chicken can both cook and brown. And so that's what you're seeing here. And then I'm going to cook it for another 30 minutes. At that point, all of the vegetables as well as the chicken should be done. It gives a crispy outside to the chicken, as well as the vegetables are roasted, and so they have a nice crispy texture as well. And you can let it rest for 5 minutes, and then it's ready to serve.